Dear fellows, today we are going to discuss about short questions of Chapter 1 MS Word 2013. Question 1. Define header. Answer. A block of text or graphics placed at the top of every page a document is called header. Question 2. Define footer. Answer. A block of text or graphics placed at the bottom of every page is called footer. Question 3. Explain the significance of header and footer. Answer. This option is very useful to insert chapter names, logos or pictures, page numbers, date and time, etc. across all the pages. Question 4. Give some examples of word processing software. Answer. Some examples of word processing software are WordStar, OpenOffice Writer, WordPerfect, etc. Question 5. Define table. Answer. An arrangement of text in row and column format is called table. Question 6. Define cell. Answer. A box in which you can enter a single unit of data is called cell. Question 7. What is mail merge? Answer. A feature in MS Word that enables you to create multiple copies of emails and other documents with more or less similar text. Question 8. What is data source? Answer. A document created during mail merge process that stores information such as name and address of recipients. Question 9. What is main document? Answer. A document created during the mail merge process that contains the common text and merge fields. Question 10. Define merge fields. Answer. A placeholder in the main document that receives information from the data source during the merging process. Question 11. What do you mean by splitting cells? Answer. Splitting cells refers to dividing a single cell into multiple cells. Question 12. What are the different options on page layout tab? Answer. Page color, font, border, margin watermark, etc.